What is HVAC? So what is HVAC? Many homeowners have heard this term, pronounced HVAC, but not many know what this industry actually entails. HVAC is an acronym that stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems combined can also be called climate control. Most of us are familiar with the most basic and first user interface of the HVAC system, the thermostat. This device, analog or digital or the main controller of the HVAC system. The user inputs the desired range of temperatures acceptable for their environment. The thermostat controls the behind-the-scenes devices of HVAC, the heater and the air conditioning system. These systems control the main functions of an HVAC system, controlling a temperature in the two main zones of the interior. These zones, local and central. Local systems are more antiquated, while central systems use one main feed to service the entire house. Ventilation is the less known aspect of HVAC. Ventilation involves the movement of air. More used in commercial settings, ventilation can do everything from move harmful carbon dioxide or chemical fumes out of a building, to entering air circulation with the outside environment. This latter aspect ensures that people within a building are breathing clean oxygenated air. These systems are prevalent in shopping malls, factories, even airplanes. So how does this affect the homeowner? HVAC is a system that provides comfort and is unnoticed until a problem occurs. As with any major home system, the homeowner should have the name and number of a licensed HVAC contractor in case of emergency. These systems are sensitive, complicated and control the overall environment. Need more info about HVAC? Find local HVAC contractors at Longmont HVAC, http://www.longmonthvac.com. Article source, https://easyinarticles.com/expert/Travis_Cozy/441519